I'm Define James Priestfield, and this is Chijoke. Chijoke, what do you have to say about Victory Trust Center?
If you're looking for Victory to get a good lesson for JAM, WAEC, NECO and NAPTEP, the right place to be is at Victory Tutorial Center, located at LA Primary School, Japi. Our morning classes starts from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mondays to Friday, which are taught across the JAM classes, the WAEC classes, NECO classes, and NAPTEP classes. We also have the adult education class, which cut across all forms of learning disability for those who are not able to attend school or who have shortcomings in learning, but are able to bring the fast learners, the slow learners, and the average learners together to bring them at the point whereby they are able to learn at whatever it is the case may be. And we also have the evening classes for the JAM, WAEC, NECO, and NAPTEP, 4 to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday, which also includes the adult education classes, which we have the pre-basic preparatory classes, we have the basic preparatory classes, and we have the post-basic preparatory classes. So with doing this is what we do, and we do it very well, and that's why Victory remains the best in our business.
Okay, one thing again we need to let them know is that at Victory Trust Center, scoring above 300 year to year is just something that is already part and parcel of us. The students are there for you to verify. Even that is one of the reasons why you see students coming from far and near, coming to Victory Trust Center, just to make whatsoever that their problem is a solution to every of their problem. We give it to them the way God has always directed us to giving it to them. We celebrate the students, and the hallmark of this whole thing is victory. And if you want to reach us at Victory Center, you have to call this particular number 081 3690 6671, 080 7299 7955. Our WhatsApp number is 081 3690 6671. I just want you to know that at Victory is guaranteed. Chijoke.
Yes, we also include exam registration for JAM, for WAEC, NECO, and NAPTEP. We do that and make sure that students' registration is done properly and efficiently.
That's why Chijoke. At Victory, success is guaranteed.